Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine sweeter. Many home winemakers enjoy customizing their creations, and adjusting sweetness is a popular way to fine-tune your wine. We will cover the essential steps to safely add sweetness to your fermented wine, ensuring it remains stable and delicious. You will learn about different sweeteners and how to incorporate them for a perfectly balanced flavor profile. Before adding any sweetness, it is crucial to stabilize your wine. This prevents any dormant yeast from reactivating and re-fermenting the new sugars, which could lead to fizzy wine or even exploding bottles. You will typically use a combination of potassium metabisulfite and potassium sorbate. The metabisulfite helps stun the yeast, while the sorbate prevents them from multiplying. Add these according to package directions, then wait at least one full day. Now it's time to prepare your chosen sweetener. Common options include granulated sugar, honey, or even fruit juice concentrate. For sugar, create a simple syrup by mixing equal parts sugar and water, then boil it for several minutes to ensure it is sterile. Allow this syrup to cool completely before adding it to your wine. Slowly incorporate the cooled sweetener into your stabilized wine, stirring gently to ensure even distribution. The most important step is tasting as you go. Use a sanitized wine thief to draw a small sample, add a measured amount of your prepared sweetener, and taste. Repeat this process, adding small increments until you reach your desired sweetness. It is always better to add too little and then add more, as you cannot remove sweetness once it's in the wine. Once satisfied, let your wine sit for 3 to 5 days to ensure stability before bottling and enjoying your perfectly sweetened creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.